How to fix Disney Plus login errors. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Disney Plus login errors. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is head over to disneyplus.com. Then go to the login button here. And after you're on the login page, try to log in. And if you're facing errors there, make sure that you're connected to the internet first. Make sure that you have your Wi-Fi. And also, you'll need to make sure that you're not connected to a network without the Wi-Fi. So make sure that you're connected and the Wi-Fi you have is stable and good. After you've checked that and after you've gone through with your Wi-Fi network troubleshoot, what you'll need to do is check if you can log in again. If not, then what you'll need to do is head over to your three dots on the top right on your browser, scroll down and go to settings. What we will do, we'll clear out the browser cache. So after you're here, head over to privacy and security right here. Then go to delete browsing data. From here, select cookies and cache. After you do that, tap on delete data and you're basically good to go. You can then cancel it out. You can restart your entire browser, simply cross it out and open it up again and go to disneyplus.com and try to log in. And that should fix the issue, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.